Oh, Layla, we gotta go get you one of them. Those are so cute.
Dr. Seuss coat. They'll match your little boots you just got.
Layla, we're gonna go shopping when I get money. We're gonna go shopping. I'll get you one too.
Yes.
You like that jacket, Layla?
This one's from your dad.
You like that jacket?
Yeah.
I'll go get you one at Target, okay?
You want to give it this now or?
Yeah.
someone?
Oh, how cute.
This one is from Papa too.
What
Alright?
size is she in? Like
4T.
4T?
Yeah.
Summertime she will be, or
Who's
she'll...
that?
Yeah, she just got it.
Rapunzel. That's so awesome.
Another dress.
Another dress.
Cool.
Oh, you and... Hey,
You
you
got a
and
Rapunzel
Layla can
dress
play
and
dress
Yeah,
up.
you two could both play dress
Oh,
up
yeah.
now. She has a frozen dress and she took it to Elisa's.
Oh, did she?
That's cool.
Oh, is that
You guys should
Alicia
dress
still?
up and
No.
play
Oh.
now
Oh.
right you are.
Oh.
Playing with it.
Okay.
She's gonna go flying
Careful,
with it
sweetie.
too.
You gotta stop standing on the chair. This is from me and Mama.
Yeah,
Okay. This is from me and Mama.
She's so tired.
Look at the birthday card Sarah made you.
She will not wake up for anything.
Aww.
Oh, cute.
Sarah.
Yeah.
She's
It's
so
the gardener. They're
tired.
like the farmers. So they have
It's so
plants.
cute.
Let me see.
All of us.
Yeah.
Cool.
This is from me and Mama too.
Don't care either.
She-
Layla.
you give her that
She doesn't
toast?
even care. Not a worry in the world. Pop, pop.
We love them.
Honey,
You wanted
just
that,
keep
huh?
back a little bit, okay? People are trying to
Now you
take
can
videos
play
and pictures.
With Elsa.
I know.
Put them
More together.
together, huh?
Come over here with Grandma. I'm sitting next to Grandma.
Right in this bag.
I wonder if Mommy will be back soon. She can come
This
here and
is
see
from
her.
you.
Yep.
This is from Mimi.
And Sarah.
Mimi.
Yeah.
From little Mimi?
She already opened the other part.
Awesome.
Peppa Pig.
Layla, get
Playground.
back.
It's a playground.
Honey, people are trying to take pictures, honey.
That's so cool.
The puppy is so cute.
Who's that?
Is
Is
that
that
her
your best
best
friend?
friend?
Papa.
Cool.
And there's collections of it too. There's
Grab another one.
Okay, now this is from Aunt Naomi and Uncle Tito.
Mr. Requirement.
You
It
know
says-
everything, huh?
It says on the front, "Happy birthday,
Yeah.
Arie. We love you and miss you bunches. Uncle Tito, Aunt Naomi, and Lucy and Maya." You know what that is?
Shrinky Dee.
The Shrinky Dee. Remember you said you wanted those?
They were fun.
Those are so
Lillian
cool.
likes
You get to paint on them. and
I
you
still
can
have
paint
them.
and
Eric,
make
I
little
still
bracelets.
have them.
Hold it up so we
So
can
I
take
can
a
take a
picture.
picture and then to Uncle Tito.
Face.
Okay, now this time look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Cheese.
Oh, that's perfect.
Here's another one from Uncle Tito and Aunt
Oh
Naomi.
my gosh, look at it. You know, so good. Oh, that's perfect.
Good one. There's all of it. Cool. That's gonna be fun. Me and you are gonna have fun with that. It's color mixing. So you get to mix colors and we can grow crystals.
You got another present over there.
Here, this is from Auntie
Oh
Maya.
my, I didn't even notice that the dog was
Wait, who's-
passed
I
out.
know, she's so
This is from you?
One second she was so
tag on the other
hyper.
side, It's from Lily and
Oh,
Simon.
this is from Lily and Simon. I'm sorry, I didn't see that.
Wonder what's in there.
What's in there?
Ta-da!
Oh
That's cute.
my god. That is so cool.
Wait, hold it up for us.
There's another thing in there. There's
We all want a picture of that. Say cheese. Look at the cameras. Hey, hey, hey. I didn't take one yet. Thank you.
There should be another troll in there.
Who's
yeah.
that? Cooper? He's funny.
That could be a little
What do you
dog
say
toy.
to everyone?
Yeah.
for presents?
Huh. You're welcome.
He's such a good girl.
Okay, look at all of your
Look at
good
all your
toys.
Okay, we can get up now.
Hey, baby, you want to play dress up with me?